So here's the solar panel. Once I got out of the box, here's the battery. It's got a little latching closure inside of it, with the woggle clips coming out the bottom. We got the power going to the reel, which is tucked away inside. So that's just going to connect to the green power instead of the green power leading to the battery terminal. And then the solar panel is getting power through the clip going into the battery. So there you have it. A little solar panel kit. It's for any device that doesn't have a battery on it. It's non-engine drive. This is a KIFCO T30-1200, one of two on this polo field in Santa Ynez, California.